Hello and welcome back to Tiny Tots and Moms. Today's topic is about postpartum skincare. It becomes very difficult to accept so many changes in the entire phase of pregnancy. Every mother goes through a lot of changes emotionally and physically. So, having a perfect skin to some mothers feels like a far-fetched dream. But luckily, to some, there's a lovely skin glow that comes along the entire 9 months of pregnancy. But what happens when you are dealing with several issues even after delivering the baby? There are some mothers who face these problems for elongated period after delivery as well. So I'm going to talk about how to take care of your skin after delivering a baby. There are a lot of issues that mothers complain about, and it's not necessary that you will have all of those issues. Some don't have at all. Some have few of them, and some complain about having too many of them. Issues like acne, issues like stretch marks, melasma, dark spots, pigmentation. These are the issues that mothers complain about a lot. And how we are going to treat these skin problems is what I'm going to discuss with you all today. So let's get started. Now, the things that I'm going to discuss today, or rather the tips that I'm going to discuss today, are general tips. If at all you are still facing the problems with your skin, that means there would be some underlying condition and that needs to be discussed with your doctor. So I would suggest you should consult a doctor if you are not able to find any recovery from these skin problems even after discussing these steps. So starting with the first and basic thing is stay away from sun as much as possible. Do not get under direct exposure of sun without applying SPF 30 or at least SPF 20 sunscreen lotion. Very important, because the sun rays can be harmful on your skin. They can be harsh on your skin. So avoid going directly under sun. Drink lots of water. Golden rule. Lot of water is very essential to keep your skin hydrated. So if you want your glow back, you need to get at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. That is going to keep you hydrated and it's going to keep the hormones in check. The next would be, one of the most crucial parts of postpartum skincare is to cleanse, tone and moisturize. I call it as CTM, cleanse, tone and moisturize. Wash your face a few times a day and get rid of the excess oil. But if your skin is dry, avoid using a face wash too often. You can just rinse your face with cold water or room temperature water. And following CTS twice a day is what I recommend. But if, like I mentioned, if you have dry skin, just do CTS once in a day. CTS is cleanse, tone and moisturize your skin. That is right. Now, irregular hours of sleep is very common for mothers because you're dealing with your baby, and frequent feeding during nights can disturb your sleep, and it really deprives you of that consistent at a stretch 8 hours of sleep, and that is definitely going to affect your skin. It is going to result in puffy eyes, dark circles and overly tired skin, which will show on your face sooner or later. So getting 8 hours of proper sleep is important to cope up with this problem. But make sure, I know it's very difficult when you have a baby who has irregular sleeping routine and irregular eating because the baby is still small. But try and catch up on sleep whenever the baby is sleeping or whenever you get time. The next important thing is that the iron content in the mother's body reduces drastically after delivering a baby. So you need to regain that iron content in your body. And how do you get that? You need to have a balanced diet and include iron-rich foods in your daily food intake. Now that includes leafy vegetables, which are extremely good for your skin as well, and it will help reduce your post-pregnancy skin problems. It will also help you getting the glow and the softness, tenderness of your skin back. Now, The next problem that most of the mothers talk about is stretch marks. I was lucky enough to not have stretch marks, thank God for that. But mothers who complain about stretch marks, they need to apply oils that are rich in vitamin E and cocoa butter. They can use that as well, which will turn out to be very helpful and useful in reducing those stretch marks or lightening those stretch marks. Remember that stretch marks will not disappear instantly, yes, but it will help lighten those stretch marks drastically. Now, vitamin deficiency is also heard of, and we all know vitamin deficiency is there in mothers who deliver the babies. So it's a common phenomena. So taking multivitamin tablets, of course, on doctor's advice is recommended, because that will make a lot of difference to the skin and the hair as well. Eating a balanced diet, healthy and timely diet. Timely is very important. Irregular meals is not going to help. You need to have a routine for yourself, have a healthy diet, and have a timely diet that will help you get your skin glow and tenderness back. Consult your doctor and include basic exercises in your routine. I always stress about exercises in your routine because it helps regulate the blood flow in your body, and that activates the hormones that help getting a glowing skin. So it will definitely allow your skin to breathe and bring back that glow in your body again, right? Now, because stretch marks is something that most of the mothers experience, I'm going to stress a little bit more on the stretch marks. Now, I mentioned about vitamin E and cocoa butter, which you can use in areas which have been affected with stretch marks. But something as basic as organic coconut oil will also help, just to nourish the skin where you have got stretch marks. Apply that at least twice a day after having bath and before going to sleep. That will help moisturize that area well, and it will help lighten the stretch marks. Again, for stretch marks, healthy diet and exercise is very crucial, because it will start reducing the visibility of stretch marks in your body. And if you can include brisk walk or basic yoga, that will also help in reducing or rather lightening those stretch marks. The skincare remedies that I mentioned are just the basic skincare remedies, and that will give you instant results, but it will not give you instant results. It will take some time, but they have proven to be effective over a period of time, because these are tried and tested remedies. So again, I'm mentioning to you, if these remedies are not helping you, please do consult a doctor if you are having a severe skin issue. But if these remedies coupled with a good diet and a fit lifestyle, it will definitely help you a lot. And not to forget, plenty of rest, very important to give your skin the time to rejuvenate and come back to normal. So enjoy your new role of being a new mother, but remember to love yourself too. I was lucky enough to have a baby glow on my skin throughout my 9 months, and by God's grace I was able to have this glow even after delivering a baby. But to mothers who are struggling with skin problems, I'm happy to finally do this video, because I wanted to do this video from quite some time, and I had got a lot of messages to have this video. I'll be stressing more on how to take skin care in my next videos to come. Until then, I hope you find this video useful. Please like and subscribe and share this video to as many mothers as you can. Take care and have a nice day.